viewers to my mathematics class. In today's maths class, we shall be taking a question from probability, and it is given to us as written on the board. A box contains 10 marbles, 7 of which are black and the 3 are red. Full stop. 3 marbles are drawn one after the other without replacement from the back. Then, find the probability of choosing the first question, 1 red, 1 black, and 1 red marbles in that order. Second question, to find the probability of choosing 2 black marbles from the back. The third question is to find the probability of choosing at least 2 black marbles. And the fourth question, to find the probability of choosing from the bag at most 2 black marbles. Watch this video till the end. I am going to be detailed. Alright, we dive in. Solution to the question. I want to solve this problem using 3 diagrams. Marbles is what we have in the bag. So, 3 marbles are chosen from the bag. The colors are black and red. Then the second time, I have black and the red. That is for the second time, black and red. And for the third time, what this 3 diagram is telling us is that the probability of picking 3 marbles once from the bag is equal to the probability of choosing from the bag 1 marble at a time, and then for the second time, and then for the third time, that is for 3 times. So now I have again black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red. This is a 3 diagram. It means from the diagram, picking 3 marbles, it is possible for me to pick the 3 marbles one after the other, and all of them are black. I can pick the 3 marbles. The first one is black, the second one is black, and the third marble is red. I can choose from the bag. The first marble is black, the second marble is red, and the third one is red. We are sampling out the likelihoods. I can pick from the bag the first marble to be red, the second and the third marbles red, the first marble black. It is possible to pick from the bag the first marble red, the second one black, and the third one also black. I could pick from the bag and get first one red, the second one black, and the third one red. I can pick from the bag. Remember, I am picking 3 marbles one after the other. So I can pick the first one, get red, pick the second one, get red, and the third one I get black. It could be possible that the first one is red, the second one is red, and the third one is red. So picking 3 marbles from the bag one after the other. These are the likelihoods. These are the samples. These are how the events can occur. The first one is black, the second one is black, the third one is black. Or the first one is black, the second one is black, the third one is red. Or I pick the first one black, the second one red, the third one also red. I could pick it. The first one is red, the second one is black, and the third one is red. So these are the possible outcomes. Very good. Now we launch into the question proper. Question A. The probability of picking in this order given the first one red, the second one black, and the third one red. This is probability of picking red, black, red in that order. But remember, in the bag, I have, inside the bag, I have that the black marbles are 7 in number. while the red marbles are 3 in number, giving me a total of marbles in the bag, 10 of them. Therefore, the possible outcome, the total possible outcome is 10. The number of balls in the bag are 10. Is 10. Black is 7 and red is 3. Therefore, picking the first one red, the second one black, and the third one red is equal to the probability that the first one is red multiplied by the probability of the second one black multiplied by the probability of the third one red. But there is a very important information, that this picking of the balls from the bag is done without replacement, picking one after the other. So if I pick the first one, I will not replace it back. Then I will go for the second time to pick the second ball. Therefore, solving this, the number of red balls they required over the possible outcome. The number of red balls there are 13 out of 10. So when I pick the first one, I pick red ball. It is 3 out of 10. Multiply by, pick the second one, it is black, and black is 7 out of 9 because the first one I did not replace it. Then for the third time, I pick red again. Remember, I did not replace the first one, so the number of red balls in the bag now is remaining 2. Whereas the total number of balls in the bag is now 8. Alright? So solving this, I will now have 2 here, 1, 2 here is 4, 3 here, 1, 3 here is 3. Giving me at the numerator 7 all over. 3 times 4 is 12 times 10 is 120. So the probability of picking the first one red, second one black, and third one red in that order is 7 over 20. Question B. Very good. I am asked in the question to find the probability of choosing from the bag 2 black marbles. 2 black marbles. If you look at the sample in the tree diagram, you will see that we have 2 black here, black, black, red. We also have 2 black here, red, black, black. And we have again, whereas this is black, red, black. Black, red, black. So here again. Now, probability of picking 2 black marbles means that the first one I pick from here is black. The second one is black, the third one is red. So I have picked 2 black marbles. Here, the first one is black, the second one is red, the third one is black. So there are 2 black marbles there. Again, I have here, the first one is red, the second time is black, the third time is black. So this is now going to be the probability of picking, either it comes in this order, black, black, red, or in probability is addition. Or I have probability of picking the first one is black, second one is red, and the third one is black. Or it is the probability that the first one is picked to be red, the second one is black, and the third one is black. These are the possible ways I could pick from the bag 2 black marbles. And this implies, first one, black is 7 out of 10, second black will remain 6 out of 9, and red is still 3 out of 8. Plus, I have first one is black 7 over 10, multiplied by red, which is still complete, 3 out of remaining 9, or picking the third time, black, and black the first time I did not replace it, giving me 6 out of 8. Or the first one is 3 out of 10, then picking black, black is still 7 out of 9, or the second black, which is now 6 out of 8. So working on this, you can now agree with me. I have 6, 7, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3. So all of them are going to be equal at the numerator and at the denominator, because I still have at the denominator 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8. Alright, so at this point, 3 here into 9 is 3. Okay, 3 into 6 is 2, and 2 into 8 will give me 4. So at the numerator, what I have is 7, all over 10 times 4, which is 40. Therefore, the same thing will happen at the middle, 7 all over 40, and then for the third time, I will still have it 7 all over 40, because the values are the same throughout. This is now going to give me 21 over 40. Very correct. We go for the third question. What is the probability of choosing from this bag at least 2 black marbles? This is a logical question. At least 2 black marbles implies that I can take from the bag 2 or more black marbles. That means I can get 3 black marbles. And if you look at what we have done here, you can agree with me that, let me make this thing very clear, the one we just calculated now is at least 2 black marbles, and that is this. Now, at least 2 black marbles means from 2 and above. So already 1, 2, 3 are inclusive. That means I can also get 3 black marbles. But solving for where I have 2 black marbles, I have gotten the answer to be 21. What I need now to get at least 2 black marbles is to add the probability of getting 3 black marbles. Of course, here there is no black. Here I have only 1 black. No, because they say from minimum of 2 black marbles. Here I have only 1 black marble. No. Here I have only 1 black marble. No. Therefore, I need where I have 2 black marbles or 3. And that is going to be this, this, and this, including this, that is 3. Therefore, I can now find in question C, probability of picking 3 black marbles plus probability of picking at least 3, which we have calculated and what got the answer to be 21 over 40. I hope what I have done is very clear. Instead of finding the probability of picking 3 black marbles, 2, another 2, another 2, but this 1, 2, 3 I have done. So if I find the probability of picking 3 black marbles, I will add it to the probability of picking 2 black marbles. That will give me the probability of picking at least 2 black marbles. Therefore, working on this, it is going to give me P of 3 black marbles will be 7 over 10 multiplied by 6 over 10. Sorry, 6 over 9, because there is no replacement. That is why we are reducing the possible outcome. Then lastly, 5 over 8. Then plus 21 over 40, which is probability of picking 2 black marbles. Why this one here is the expression for probability of picking 3 black marbles. All joined together is the probability of picking at least 2 black marbles. Therefore, working on this, 5 into 10 will give me 2, 2 into 6 will give me 3, and 3 into 9 will give me 3. So at the numerator, I have left 7 all over 3 times 8 is 24, then plus 21 all over 40. I'm working on this, my LCM is 120, therefore 24 into 120 will go 5 times, multiplied by 7 is 35. Plus 40 into 120 will give me 3, and 3 times 421 will give me 63. Adding these two, I will get 3 into plus 6 is 9, and 5 plus 3 is 8 all over 120, making my final answer 49 all over 120. Very good. This is very correct. This is also correct. We have solved 3 questions out of 4 questions given to us in this question. The third one is the probability of choosing from the bag at most 2 black marbles. I will leave this last question for you to try after you have watched how we solved A, B, and C. The fourth one, I want you to try it out. Write your answer for me in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. Thank you for watching to the end, and God bless you.